It is, says the government, a race between the virus and the vaccine. And people have been rushing to receive their booster jab after ministers warned of a tidal wave of infection caused by the Omicron variant of COVID. That has meant delays for some people trying to access appointments and a fresh government call for vaccine volunteers.
No variant of COVID-19 has spread this fast.
In the Commons yesterday, the Health Secretary Sajid Javid said Omicron now represented 20% of cases in England and was accelerating fast. The booster programme has been expanded, with anyone over 18 able to book a jab from Wednesday. That means NHS resources are being switched to focus on delivering vaccines and urgent clinical care. The health service in England has been put on its highest level of emergency readiness, level 4 national incident, meaning it can be coordinated at a national level. A letter from NHS bosses says even with the protection of booster jabs, the threat from Omicron remains serious and the number of people requiring care could be significant. While vaccines are the first line of defence, the governments of all UK nations agree further measures are needed to try and slow the spread of Omicron. In the Commons today, there will be a series of votes beefing up public health protections in England. There will be one on more mandatory mask wearing, another on replacing self-isolation with daily testing for people exposed to a positive case of the Omicron variant. But it's the plan to require a negative COVID test or proof of vaccination status to attend crowded events that has riled many Tory MPs.
There's a question of how effective they actually are, and evidence from other countries suggests that they're not very effective, but also I have a problem with the government requiring people to do that.
Up to 70 Conservatives may rebel against the government, arguing that these restrictions go too far. These votes will be judged as a test of Boris Johnson's authority over his party too, a beleaguered Prime Minister who may well need Labour MPs to get his policy through. Ben Wright, BBC News, Westminster.